In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel FIT4LESS Membership 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel smoothly, what timelines to expect, and a few tips to make sure there are no surprise charges. The most reliable way to cancel is to visit your home club, which is the location where you originally joined. When you arrive, head to the front desk and let the team know you want to cancel your membership. Bring a government-issued ID and any membership details you have so they can look up your account quickly. They may ask you to complete a short cancellation form or verify a few details. While you're there, ask about your final billing date, whether any notice period applies to you, and whether there are any outstanding balances. If you were given an access tag or card, confirm whether it needs to be returned. Before you leave, request written confirmation of your cancellation and the date it takes effect, either as a printed receipt or an email. If visiting isn't convenient, you can cancel by phone. Find your club's official phone number on the gym's website, call during staffed hours, and request to cancel your membership. Have your membership number or the details you used to sign up ready so they can locate your profile. Ask the representative to confirm the effective cancellation date, any remaining charges, and when your access will end. It's a good idea to request an email confirming the cancellation and to jot down the date, time, and the person you spoke with for your records. Most memberships require at least 30 days notice. That means your cancellation doesn't happen immediately. Your access typically remains active during the notice period, and one additional billing cycle may occur depending on your billing date. To avoid extra charges, submit your cancellation as early as possible, ideally more than a month before your next billing date. Keep any emails or receipts that show when you gave notice. If you have a 1-year paid in full membership, the process can be a little different. These plans usually run through the full term and aren't refunded midterm. You can still ask your club to confirm the exact expiry date, and to ensure the membership won't auto-renew at the end of the year, request written confirmation of the expiry and verify when your access will stop so there are no surprises. To wrap up, either visit your home club or call, provide at least 30 days notice, and confirm the details in writing. Keep copies of everything and monitor your bank statement to ensure billing stops as expected. If you see an unexpected charge, contact your club promptly with your confirmation on hand.